What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language and region on your iPhone. And in order to do this, we're going to settings. And on settings, we're scrolling down and in the middle we see general, we click on that. We're scrolling down again and now we click on language and region. And as you can see here, we have our region installed to the United Kingdom. And let's say we want to change this, for example, into France. Then we type in France. We click on France, and when we click on this, our screen is going to turn black and then it will be changed. So I'm not going to do it now because otherwise my screen recording will stop, but this is how you do it. And for the language, you can see at the top, our preferred language is English. And let's say you want to add a language, for example, Français actually. You just click on Français and then basically the same happens as changing the region. If you want, you can just click on one of the two options and then your language will be changed. So it will turn black for that a short period of time, but after that it will be completely installed. So that's basically it for the video, guys. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the future. Bye bye.